Welcome to Elevate Innovation. Today we're going to show you how to unbox and build a pop-up bar. Let's start with unboxing. Everything is neatly packed away into two sections, the bar cart and the shelving. Unclasp all 6 clips. This will allow for easy removal of your travel bag. Unwrap all of your bar cart pieces and lay them out in an organized fashion. This will allow for easier assembly. Notice we are building this in a very small space. Large spaces are not necessary for the assembly of this bar cart. You can build them anywhere and everywhere. Let's open the bar cart. Unfold as shown and insert your shelving and branded walls accordingly. All shelving and branded walls should fit into place easily. On to the next step. Let's build the canopy. We're going to start with the railing. Use 4 of the small thumb screws to fasten the legs to the outer railing. Use the 4 remaining small thumb screws to fasten the bar top to the outer railing. Let's attach the canopy. Use the 6 long screws provided and 6 wing nuts to secure the canopy to the railing. Place the canopy assembly on top of the bar cart. The last step is to add your protective shield. It should snap right into place. Your pop-up bar is now complete. Please visit our channel to watch part 2 on how to disassemble your pop-up bar. This has been an Elevate Innovations production. Thank you for watching.